Hrudyantar is about celebrating life. It is the journey of a family through turbulent times. And Shamak Davar has been an absolute dream. And I mean, I just can't believe it. I called him and I said, Shamak, I'm doing this film. It is not a film on dance. It is the journey of a family. And I feel every boy, every girl, every parent, everybody who has a relationship of a husband and wife, father and daughter, mother and daughter, and two sisters should enter this auditorium, because you will walk back home with something that you will cherish what you see. It's a very, very simple film, but I have a story to tell. The Shamak Davar Institute of the Performing Arts, whether the kids were in my film, whether he put 50 people in the final concert in the film, or a Marzi, or Anisha, or I don't even, but it was Puneet. I'm sorry if I don't take a few names over here, but everybody, Rajesh, who was instrumental in putting this whole thing together. I feel everybody, Mazi, the Shamak Davar team, from day one, whatever I wanted, and I want to tell you, I take great pride in telling you that this man has not charged me a single rupee to do this film. I think he deserves a round of applause for that. I'm doing a small film, I'm doing a simple film. I needed the support of a friend, I needed the support of a guide. I needed the support of somebody who believes in me and believes in the faith, believes in Hrudyantar and the story that I want to tell. And over 1 second, Shamak Davar has said, I am doing this project. Not only as a choreographer, but he's also acted in the film. And that's all I want to say. I just want to tell everyone, whether you live in Bombay, Pune, Nagpur, Ahmedabad, whichever part of the world, whether it's Vancouver, Australia, wherever this is streaming live, wherever this goes.
This is going to go all over the world, because you have not only the support of me and my dance company, my family and my loved ones, but my family and loved ones of these parents and students that are going to go on the 7th of July and watch Hrudyantar. If you love me, go and see it. Just go and see it.
I'm going to give the mic now to Sonali, and then to my two little children, Nitya and Naisha, whose first film it is. And you will be surprised with what an incredible job these two little girls have done. So I'll first give the phone. I said I'll give the mic to Sonali, and she'll have a few words.
Hi everyone, hello, and I want all of you to give a big round of applause to all these lovely people who performed here and people who worked really hard to put up this show. I saw every single dance and they were so outstanding. And now talking about Hrudyantar, I think Vikram has said a lot, but I just want to say one thing, that people who love art, all of you who are here, they love dance, they love music, they love art, and people who love art, music, dance, they love life. And this film will teach you how to celebrate your life, how to live your life. And I would really request you all that please go on the 7th of July and just see what the life is all about. Thank you so much.
First मी विक्रम सरांची खूप थँक्स मानेन की त्यांनी मला या फिल्मसाठी सिलेक्ट केलं. म्हणजे सरांनी जेव्हा मला आमच्या ह्रदयांतर फिल्ममध्ये ऋतिक सर आहेत, सो त्या सरांनी आम्हाला ऋतिक सरांच्या व्हॅनिटीमध्ये खास घेऊन गेले आणि मग आम्हाला त्यांची ओळख करून दिली. आणि ऋतिक सर स्वतः म्हणाले की आम्हाला तुमच्याकडनं काहीतरी शिकायला मिळतं. सो थँक्यू विक्रम सर अँड थँक्यू ऑल आर्टिस्ट.
नमस्कार. आज ह्या ठिकाणी आम्हाला शामक सरांच्या इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये ह्रदयांतरचं प्रमोशन करायला मिळतं आहे. सो त्याच्यासाठी मी शामक सरांना खूप थँक्यू म्हणेन, कारण की ह्या फिल्ममुळे मला शामक सरांची स्टाईल शिकायला मिळाली, त्यांचे थोडंसंच शिकायला मिळालं, पण ते पण माझ्या सदैव स्मरणात राहील एवढं मला तो विलक्षण अनुभव होता. म्हणजे इथे खूप जण बसले ज्यांनी मला म्हणजे फिल्ममध्ये काय करायचं आहे त्याच्यासाठी शिकवलं. आणि मी विक्रम सरांचे आभार मानेन की त्यांच्यामुळे मला या फिल्मसाठी खूप दिग्गजांना भेटायची संधी मिळाली. आणि तुम्ही सगळेजण 7 जुलैला आमची फिल्म बघायला जा, हीच एवढी विनंती.